Hey creators, want to make eye-catching thumbnails fast? Let's use ChatGPT and LightXEditor to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video in just 1 minute. Let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT. Here, I'm making a thumbnail for my video titled Top 5 Chrome Extensions You Need in 2024. ChatGPT gives me some great ideas like must-have Chrome extensions for 2024. Next, I download the AI-generated thumbnail design that fits my video. Now let's go to LightXEditor, a free online editor, perfect for resizing and fine-tuning thumbnails. I upload the image I downloaded and resize it to 1280 by 720 pixels, which is the ideal size for YouTube thumbnails. Once the image is the right size, I adjust the brightness and contrast to make it pop. You can also add text or other effects to make the thumbnail more eye-catching. And there we go. A stunning, ready-to-upload thumbnail in just a few simple steps. With ChatGPT and LightXEditor, you can easily create amazing thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.